I'm on my way to an island and I'm popping shit at the pilot. Niggas be broken, be chopping, but still talking shit like they violent. They say that they honest, some money these niggas gon' say that they got it. Get out with the kid, it's touching these niggas gon' blame it on college. They don't wanna see you win. They don't wanna see the race. You don't wanna see a bitch caught up in the stars like you out of space. Making that they kind of recommending that I'm running out of space. Tell your homie, keep on coming out his mouth, shit, it's all around his way. Niggas better get lawyer money. Better get some sick soy money. Running around like you Superman. Don't be selfish, get your mama choice money. Cause I don't wanna put it on your money. I don't wanna make it happen to you niggas. What you fuck around and do it for me?
Hop in the red and I bought it, it's Liddy again. Fly out a fifth in the tropic and Liddy again. All of my partners is poppin', you know that we Liddy again. All of the boys on college, you know that we Liddy again. They don't wanna see the squad, they don't wanna see the rain. They don't wanna see a bitch up in the stars like she going out of space. Liddy again, I got it, we Liddy again. Liddy again, I got it, we Liddy again. See your money out of safe when they bought a rain, brought it on clouds. Niggas talking like they want it when we in the city, they don't want problems. Niggas say they gon' rob us, but nigga we coming for weapons. You shoot a bullet when I pull it, how you catch a bullet like a NFL? Should've known it was Liddy when bitches don't lie on my dick. Lie on they pussy like iron, can't even be a side bitch. I'm in 9 10s and you ain't even looking like you a fine. Bro, niggas tryna do it for Twitter when they used to do it